Good morning, friends. I am Suraj Agrawal, and you are watching your favorite YouTube channel, Gardening is My Passion. Friends, this is the October month, and you have to do some certain things. Three things I'll tell you. You have to grow the enormous amount of roses in the month of November, December, January. So, three things you have to note down and how you have to do. I'll show you. The first thing is you have to take some secateurs and you have to do the hard pruning. This is the October month. From the starting of October up to 20th or 25th of October, you have to do the hard pruning. Hard pruning means that you have to cut down the all the thick stems from here. From the base, you see this is the hard pruning, and all the pruning should be done at around pencil thickness stem, because you have to cut down up to pencil thickness, and the height would be around 2 feet tall, 2 and 2 and 2.5 feet tall. Plant should be there, and then new branches will come out. I'll tell you to cut in the pencil thickness, because if you cut the thinner stems, then they come, new sprouts will come, very, very thin stems will come out, and the flower buds will be very small. As a result, the flower will be very small. So you have to cut down up to the pencil thickness stem, and then I'll tell you the two things again what you have to do. So I have to cut down all the plants, and at the end of the video I'll tell you three additional some bonus points that you have to keep in always in mind when you are growing roses. So first thing is doing the hard pruning up to almost, this is the pencil thickness you see, and now you have to do the hard pruning. So after doing the hard pruning, the second thing, you have to add fertilizer at the base of the plant. That I'll show you. This is the base of this plant, and apply fertilizer. What kind of fertilizer you have to apply, I'll show you which fertilizer you have to add. You have to add some mixture kind of fertilizer. Before that, you have to till the land. Just see how I am tilling the land, just around the base of the plant, and not very close to the stem, as around 6 inches away from the base stem, so that no roots are cut from here. So this is the tilling of land, proper tilling of land. Then add around 2 fistful of mixture fertilizer. Mixture fertilizer contains bone meal, horn meal, leather meal, super phosphate, potash, and some neem cake powder, and along with this mustard cake powder, groundnut cake powder. These 8 things are mixed in this in proper ratio, and this is the best for any of these rose plants. And if you want, you can add rose food also. Rose foods are also available in the commercially. So you have to add around 2 fistful or around 50 grams of this mixture fertilizer around here. And after 15 days, you have to again apply. And after application of this fertilizer, properly add water, because roses love the enormous amount of water. They love roses love water. So after 15 days, you have to again apply this fertilizer, and after 1 month, you will see new branches will come out. Lots of new branches will come out, and you will see the enormous number of buds, and there will be enormous number of flowers also. So you will see the emerging flowers here, and big size of flowers, and that will grow. But before that, you have to do some another thing. You have to proper airflow should be there. So remove all the crisscross that branches are here, or remove all crisscross branches, so that airflow should be proper, airflow should be inside, because they need all the ventilation. And you have to remove all the dead twigs. You must have to remove all the dead twigs, because if you keep the dead twigs, then new branches will be hampered. So you have to remove all the dead twigs and all the crisscross all the stems, so that there should be proper airflow inside the bushes of these roses, so that there should be proper food production as well as flower production. Number 3 is you have to apply fungicide. Fungicide, here I am applying. This is a soft fungicide. This is a mixture of systemic and contact fungicide. Here you can see this is the composition here. You see mancozeb and carbendazim and mancozeb composition. Any brand of this mancozeb and carbendazim mixture you can add, and I am applying at the top of the cut portion, so that there is no dieback problem or there is no fungus problem. If you want, you can spray it with 2 gram per liter, and spray the whole the plant, drench the whole plant with 2 gram per liter. You have to plant, but because today I am not doing that. And before that, I am removing all the dead twigs from here. So you have to do it dead twigs, So three things I'll tell you what you have to do, all the three things at the end of the video. Please watch my entire video. I'll tell you that at the end of the video, three things you must know whenever you are growing roses in your garden or any of the pot or container. Three things you have to must to remember in your point that. But if you don't find any fungicide, then you can apply amister also, but in that case this is a concentrated one around 1 ml per liter, and it drains the whole plant, and 1 ml per liter would be enough. Now I'll tell you the three important points for growing the roses here. So first point is roses needs proper sunlight. 6 hours sunlight is needed for growing roses. And the second point is roses need sufficient water. Every day you have to water it. Roses need proper airflow. There should be proper airflow. So hope you enjoyed the video. If you have liked the video, please give it a like, give it a thumbs up. If you need to, please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.